In this video, I'm going to show you how to open new charts in TradingView. I'm also going to show you some tricks to get access to your charts or multiple charts at the same time. So what you're going to do is just go to this top right corner and click on this watch list. So you're going to put all the charts that you want, all the pairs that you want to trade here so that you can easily get access to them after you click on them. So what you're going to do is just click on this plus icon, add the symbol, then type the pair that you want to trade. After you type it, assuming gold or GPP, USD. After that, you just click on this plus icon. It will automatically add to your watch list, as you can see at the bottom. Then you can drag it and move it up. Then after that, you can add multiple pairs that you want to trade. Then you can simply just click it back to hide it and click it to see it. So that way you can easily get access to your new chart. Also, if you want to watch two charts at the same time, what you're gonna do is just click on this plus icon and then re-enter back into the trading view of another. After you re-enter back to trading view, go to the super chart, click on this hamburger icon at the right top left corner, click on product, click on super chat. After that, assuming I would like to be seeing this NAS 100, then what you're going to do is just click on this tab, click and drag. After you click and drag, you notice they've separated themselves. Then what you're going to do is just window plus right side icon. Then you can also press window plus left side icon, or you can simply just click on this second chart. As you can see, you get access to multiple chart BTC USD and NAS 100, in which you can able to view both of them at the same time. So these are the tricks and the way for you to open new charts in TradingView. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe.